Memorabilia box break number 89. The last break we rolled the dice for this box as being the next box to break. So good luck to everybody on this box. 102. You down with 102? Come on, filthiness. Let's go, baby. Clay Matthews for the Packers. That is Fanatic certified. Once again, getting the best autographs from the athletes. Fanatic cert right there. All right, next up we got... Wait a minute, I thought the Packers didn't have any more hits. I'm so confused. And we got the Giants, LT Lawrence Taylor. LT's got a pretty cool auto. Nice LT hit right there. Next up, oh, old school, baby, old school. Remember this guy? Quarterback for the Raiders, Jim Plunkett. TriStar certified, Jimmy Plunkett for the Raiders. Very cool. I like it. I like it. All right, so the Raiders, the GB, and the Giants. I don't know, man. I thought Green Bay was done. What's going on? I'm flabbergasted. I'm appalled. Lions, did you hit one of these items, Lions? What's Pops getting, Cardano? Lions like, no, not Cardano. All right, let's see who owns these teams. Giants. Oops, let me write third down. Giants belongs to Mr. Happy and Son. There you go, Mr. Happy. And Son. Oh, you had the Raiders. Nice, Lions. I don't know who Sean is, but I know who Lions is. And we got Packers. Milkman missed him by one. Ah, Milk. All right, going to BJ. Sorry, Milk. Just missed them. I know they're available in there for a while, but I know it was probably like, oh, well, you know, I mean, like add another one. It's like, who knows, you know. I get it. All right, so going to Brett. And Lions had Plunkett, I guess. Lions had Plunkett. So that's going to his dad. That's going to Mr. Lions. That is going to Mustafa. Very cool. Nice little gift for the dad. Congratulations, Mr. Lyons.